apart from... Wait a minute. Whoa.
Oh no, it's Vilgax again! I'm gonna have to electrify you.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, it's an earthquake! It's an earthquake! I can do something that can plant itself into the ground. Swamp fire! Yeah! Hey man, stop hugging me! Stop hugging me! I already stopped. I can control plants. See? I don't even have to touch them to control them.
Ow! Pick two!
You're gonna die! I'm a plant, I can regrow. They ever grow. Ouch!
I'm dizzy.
Oh no, it's another earthquake! I'm gonna die! I can put myself into the ground. See? Let's do another earthquake. Wait. Where'd you come from? How'd you get out of the Ultimatrix?
I'm the crab. I'm Crab Man.
No, you're not. You're Brainstorm. This is Vilgax.